Are you struggling to build flat pack furniture? Do you need a professional to build it for you? Why waste your weekend or evenings when we can take care of it for you? We can help with the following and more. From various manufacturers and suppliers. We are quick, clean, reliable and professional. We have all the tools and spare parts necessary. We can build Ikea, Argos, Benson's, Mamas and Papas. We have done it all. We are usually cheaper than the Ikea build service. We argue so you don't have to. And we work fast. We have many excellent reviews on social media too. Let us take care of it for you. Call us on 01157 365 990 or visit our website.